Hello everyone. Today we are going to take a closer look at TrackGo Pro. The company claims that this small device can help you track your items easily and that it can even work worldwide. On their website, they show many positive reviews and they try to present it as a unique product. But when we look more carefully at the details, the picture starts to change. The first thing we need to check is the domain of their website. When we look at the registration details, we can see that the domain was created on the 7th of June in 2025. That is only a few months ago. But when we go back to their website and read the reviews, most of the reviews are shown as older than the domain itself. This creates a problem because it means that the reviews could not have been written before the website even existed. That suggests the reviews may not be real. Next, we check Trustpilot, which is a third-party platform where customers can leave honest feedback. On Trustpilot, we can only find 7 reviews for TrackGo Pro, and almost all of them are negative. People mention issues with shipping, poor performance, and lack of customer support. This is very different from what the official website shows. If we search for the product itself on other websites, we can find the same type of tracker being sold under different names. On platforms like Alibaba, you can buy almost identical devices for just $1 or $2 each. That shows that the device is not something new or special, but just a common Bluetooth tracker being rebranded and sold at a much higher price. It is also important to understand how this type of tracker works. These devices only work within Bluetooth range, which means just a few meters. They cannot track your items worldwide as the company claims. Once the device is out of Bluetooth range, it will not be able to give you the live location of your item. Thanks for watching.